It was a rainy Tuesday afternoon when Leila heard the doorbell ring. She had been waiting all week for this package, a pair of shoes she ordered online for a special event. She jumped up from the couch, ran to the door, and opened it to find a delivery driver holding a brown box. "Delivery for Leila Morgan," the man said, handing it to her. She checked the name and address. Everything looked correct. She smiled and said, "Thank you." But as soon as she closed the door and opened the box, her heart sank. Inside was not a pair of elegant black shoes. It was a bright red hoodie, size XL, with a tag that said, "To David Thompson." Leila blinked. Who is David Thompson? She checked the shipping label again, her name, her address, but clearly the wrong item. She stood there for a moment, unsure what to do. The delivery guy was probably still outside. She grabbed the box and ran out into the hallway. "Excuse me," she called out. The delivery driver turned. "Yes, I think there's a mistake. This package has my name on it, but the item inside is for someone else." He walked back toward her and took a quick look. Yeah, that's not right." "What should I do?" she asked. "Well, I can take it back and report it, or you can contact the store directly." "Can I give this back to you?" "Sure. I'll mark it as returned. You might want to email customer service just in case." She nodded. "Okay, thanks for your help." "No problem. Happens more than you'd think." Back inside her apartment, Leila sat down and opened her laptop. She found the online store and clicked on Help Order Issues. There was a form, but she decided to call. Speaking would be faster. A woman answered the phone after a few rings. "Hi, this is Melissa from Quick Ship Customer Service. How can I help you today?" Leila spoke clearly and slowly. "Hi, I ordered a pair of shoes, but I received the wrong item. It's a hoodie for someone named David Thompson." "I'm sorry to hear that. Let me check your order number." Leila gave her the number from the email confirmation. After a few clicks, Melissa said, "Yes, it looks like the warehouse made a mistake. I'll arrange a new shipment for you right away." "Do I need to return the wrong item?" "Since it was a courier mistake and the item isn't valuable, you don't need to send it back. But we'll make sure the correct shoes are shipped today." "Thank you. Will I get a new tracking number?" "Yes, you'll receive an email in about an hour." Leila felt relieved. "Great. I appreciate the help." "Of course, and sorry again for the mix-up." After the call, Leila made a cup of tea and sat by the window. She thought about how well that had gone. She hadn't panicked. She had explained the problem clearly, and she had used phrases she had learned through practice, not textbooks. She opened her notes app and wrote down some of the key phrases. "I received the wrong item." "This isn't what I ordered." "Can I speak to someone about my delivery?" "I'd like to return this." "Will I get a new tracking number?" These weren't dramatic words, but they were exactly what she needed. 2 days later, the doorbell rang again. This time, she opened the box carefully, almost nervously. It said, the perfect pair of black shoes, her size, her style. She smiled. Finally, she even laughed a little, thinking, well, I got a free hoodie out of this. Maybe I'll give it to a friend. Delivery mistakes are frustrating, but they're also opportunities. In moments of stress, your English becomes more real, more practical. And when you explain a problem clearly and calmly, people usually help. So, next time you receive the wrong item or something is damaged or missing, remember to say, "Oh, excuse me, I think there's a mistake with my delivery. I didn't receive what I ordered. Can you help me fix this?" These conversations aren't perfect, but they're powerful. They show growth, confidence, and your ability to handle real life in English. Practice out loud, try different styles, and soon it will feel completely natural. Thank you for practicing with me today. See you in the next lesson.